Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prove this logarithmic problem log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. This is a tricky problem. No need to worry, I am here to solve this problem in easy way. Those who don't know the logarithmic equations, we have an equation. A is equal to b power c, then a logarithm is a way to express the exponent c in terms of a and b. A is equal to b power c can also be written as log a base b is equal to c. For example, if we take 8 is equal to 2 power 3, then we can write as log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. Log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. So log a base b we can also written as log a by log b. Logarithm can be taken with any base, so we are taking with base 10, so it becomes log a base 10 by log b base 10. Log x by log 2 plus log x by log 3 is equal to 5. So take log x common, then 1 divided by log 2 plus 1 divided by log 3 is equal to 5. So log x is equal to 5 divided by 1 by log 2 plus 1 by log 3. Log x is equal to 5 into log 2 into log 3 divided by log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 we can also written as log 2 by log 10, and the value of log 2 is 0.3010. Let me check whether log 2 base 10 is 0.3010. Yeah, it's correct, log 2 is 0.3010. Log 3 is equal to log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Let me check whether log 3 value is 0.4771. Then substitute log 2 and log 3 values, then we get log x is equal to 0.923, then x is equal to 10 power 0.923 and f this value approximately equal to 8.4. Let me check by putting the x value in the equation. Let me check the values of log 8.4 base 2 value is 3.070. Let me check the values of log 8.4 base 3 value is 2.128. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yeah, it was verified.